Back out. Cancel a commitment. He backed out of the deal. He backed out at the last minute. Bump into. Meet by chance. I bumped into an old friend today. She bumped into her teacher at the mall. Carry on. Continue. Please carry on with your work. They carried on talking for hours. Doze off. Fall asleep. He dozed off in the middle of the movie. I dozed off while reading. End up. Finally be in a situation. We ended up staying home. He ended up getting the job. Fall apart. Break into pieces or become emotionally weak. The chair fell apart when I sat on it. She fell apart after the bad news. Get by. Manage with difficulty. I can get by with little money. He gets by with basic English. Hand out. Distribute. She handed out flyers in the street. The teacher handed out the test papers. Jump in. Join quickly. He jumped in the conversation. She jumped in to help. Knock over. Hit something so it falls. He knocked over the chess pieces. She knocked over the Jenga tower. Lay off. Dismiss from a job. The company laid off many workers. He was laid off last month. Mess up. Make a mistake. I messed up the recipe. He messed up his test. Nod off. Fall asleep. I nodded off in the office. She nodded off while traveling. Opt for. Choose. She opted for the red dress. He opted for online shopping. Pass out. Faint. He passed out from the heat. He almost passed out after running. Sort out. Solve a problem. He sorted out the misunderstanding. I need to sort out my bills. Take over. Gain control. He took over the project. A new company took over the business. Wear out. Become too old or tired. My shoes are worn out. He was worn out after work. Zone out. Stop paying attention. I zoned out during the lecture. She zoned out while reading. Break off. End suddenly. They broke off the engagement. The meeting broke off early. Check on. See if someone is okay. I checked on my grandfather. She checked on her baby. Drop in. Visit someone briefly. Grandma dropped in to say hello. We dropped in on an old friend while traveling. Figure out. Understand. I figured out the problem. He figured out how to fix it. Goof off. Waste time. They goofed off instead of studying. He goofed off all day by watching mobile. Hold out. Last or resist. He held out for a better offer. She held out her hand for a handshake. Iron out. Solve small problems. Mom helped me iron out my messy homework. The teacher helped iron out my confusion about the lesson. Keep away. Stay at a distance. Keep away from the fire. She kept away from unhealthy food. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.